Yo, what's up? Nick from BioGear. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to be checking out a really cool product I was sent for review called the ProtoArc Hub Mouse. And as the name implies, it is a hub and a mouse in one package. Let's get into it. Okay, so this may or may not be a solution or answer to a problem that you may or may not even have had. But at the end of the day, having your hub here, which is going to be a couple different ports, only 3 ports on it, and then having a very lightweight, thin mouse put into one package, I think is a wonderful idea. This would normally occupy probably 2 pockets in your bag, and depending on how big of a mouse you are normally carrying, you may actually cut down quite a bit of space inside your bag as well. This can definitely fit in a little bit thinner pockets that this thing may not go into. But again, it just kind of comes down to preference and what you're looking for. Overall, very small, very tight package, very lightweight too. A little heavy with the hub in it, but normally you'd be disconnecting that and then using the mouse, which is very light at supposedly 50 grams. The mouse itself has 3 different channels for connecting to devices. I believe channel 1 is always going to be tied to the 2.4 gigahertz, which is the receiver inside of your hub. So you just plug this in, power this on, you're good to go. You're already using it right away. Modes 2 and 3, I believe, are for Bluetooth devices only, and I think that that's just how it's split up. You got 2.4 gigahertz and 2 Bluetooth devices with Bluetooth 5.0. Correct, it is Bluetooth 5.0. So yeah, on the plus side of that, it works flawlessly. I had the dongle plugged in and Bluetooth connected to another device, hit the button, it was immediately over to the next device, and quite efficiently so. So that is really neat to see. I'm glad that they got that dialed down. Overall build quality on this mouse is pretty nice. I'd give it probably a good solid 7 or 8 out of 10 at least. It's all plastic, but again, it's super lightweight, which is kind of important. The ribbing is up to you of whether or not you like the ribbing on the back of this. I don't seem to mind it. The only thing I do kind of mind is that there is the text of ProtoArc written on the shiny plastic. It looks like it's one of those stickers that you normally just peel off to take the logo off of it, but no, that is permanently printed on there. So I'm not a big fan of that. I like the branding just being on the bottom and would rather have a clean aesthetic up top. But at the end of the day, it's not so intrusive that it annoys me. But yeah, the mouse buttons, everything else is all plastic top and bottom. Scroll wheel works great, does click as well, has a middle mouse button click. There's a DPI button here, so there's only 3 pre-programmed DPIs, which is, I believe, 1000, 1600, and 2400 DPI. So you just click this button here, cycle between what is effectively slow, medium, and fast. I typically leave it on slow at 1000 DPI, and yeah, it works great. Surprisingly though, this thing is really quiet on the mouse clicks. What I'm normally used to out of pretty much every mouse I've ever owned is that, which is pretty loud. This mouse, really quiet. So if you need to use your mouse somewhere that's like insanely quiet, such as a library, you're gonna annoy a whole lot less people with this sucker. That is actually a pleasant surprise. I've never had a mouse this quiet before, and I don't hate it. I actually kind of enjoy it. So that's a pretty neat little option that it has there. Battery in this thing is 300 milliamp hours, which is pretty small of a battery, but then again, this thing should last for several hours on end, and it is rechargeable through the Type-C port at the front of the device. Past that though, there are no further buttons on it, just your on and off button on here on the bottom to kick this on and off, and again, the toggle switch between having 2.4 gigahertz or Bluetooth on connection. So yeah, it supports 3 devices, pretty cool. The tension system in the mouse to hold this dongle in there is like these 2 little plastic clips built into the housing and molding. I have a little bit of concern over some wear lines on this hub with extended use and continually going in and out of this sucker. I feel like it may put 2 lines on it, but hasn't yet. Still in pristine condition. We'll see how long that goes. All right, moving on to the hub. This is metal, which is wonderful. It's not plastic. You got 1 Type-C port here in the middle. Very thin overall, so kind of matches the height of your iPad or MacBooks pretty well. Doesn't, it's not a bulky, intrusive sucker. And we got 3 ports on this thing. We have HDMI, which supports 4K 30. No mention of which standard of HDMI it is, but it does support 4K 30. We have USB 3.0 supporting 5 gigabits per second pass through, and also 60 watts Type-C power delivery pass through as well. So you're not really compromising on having to charge your device or anything through this as well. It does pass through quite well, and this thing, from my testing, has worked flawlessly. Plug it right in the device, don't have any issues with drivers or anything like that. It fires right off like it was made with the device. So that was really cool. I mean, I plugged this into my iPad. I took a flash drive and plugged it in, and an HDMI cable for my monitor. All of it worked absolutely flawlessly and perfectly. I love when stuff just works, and this sucker is really good for just that. So even if you just wanted this hub, even though it would be kind of pricey, this thing alone is wicked good. I really like this little hub. Coming with a lightweight mouse is just, you know, obviously bonus points, especially because it goes into one little package, which is pretty sick. The only thing I'm not really digging about this mouse is just the feet on the sucker. I don't like them. They're quite low profile, which isn't too bad, but it does feel like it occasionally drags on like the mouse pad surfaces and whatnot that I use. I prefer like a little bit more substantial of a pad, and I may just order an aftermarket set of pads and, you know, replace the pads on this thing myself. But overall, that's hardly a gripe. The functionality of this mouse, like I said, it's awesome. It really works really well. I love how thin it is. A little odd on the grip. I had to get used to it a little bit by more or less pinching it with my thumb and my pinky. But the quiet mouse clicks and just the overall weight and feel of it is great. I think that ProtoArc did a really good job making this sucker, and I definitely do recommend this, especially if you're after like the most minimal kit. This is a good one to check out. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to help answer them. I do have an affiliate link in the description down below, so you do help support the channel if you purchase through that link. Other than that though, yeah, pretty neat device, easy to recommend. Catch you later guys, subscribe, like if you haven't already. Catch you in the next one.